Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Are you in search of the best coffee maker? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 coffee maker available. But before we dive in, check the links in the description to find one within your budget. Let's get started with our review. Top 1. Ninja PB051 Pod and Ground Specialty Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Ninja PB051 Pod and Ground Specialty Single-Serve Coffee Maker is a versatile addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Its K-Cup compatibility ensures convenience, while also allowing you to brew your favorite grounds for a customized cup. The built-in milk frother adds a touch of luxury, perfect for crafting lattes and cappuccinos at home. With a generous 56 ounces reservoir, you can enjoy multiple cups without constant refills. Plus, its compact design makes it ideal for smaller spaces. Whether you prefer a 6 ounces cup or a 24 ounces mug, this coffee maker offers customizable sizes to suit your needs, all in sleek black. Top 21. Cuisinart Coffee Maker. Introducing the Cuisinart Coffee Maker with a 14-cup glass carafe, designed to bring ease and customization to your morning routine. This fully automatic machine puts you in control of your brew strength, ensuring every cup suits your taste preferences. Whether you're brewing a full pot or just a few cups, the convenient 1 to 4 cup setting guarantees optimal flavor extraction every time. Crafted with durable stainless steel, the DCC 3200P1 not only looks sleek on your countertop but also promises long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to morning coffee hassles and hello to consistently delicious coffee, effortlessly brewed to perfection. Top 3. Gevi Espresso Machine High Pressure, Compact Espresso Machines. Introducing the Gevi Espresso Machine, your ticket to barista-level coffee experience is right at home. This compact wonder boasts high-pressure performance, ensuring every brew is packed with flavor and aroma. With its convenient milk frother steam wand, crafting creamy lattes, frothy cappuccinos, and other specialty drinks becomes a breeze. From the rich intensity of espresso to the indulgent smoothness of a latte, this machine covers all bases. Its sleek design not only elevates your kitchen aesthetic but also promises durability and reliability. Say hello to your new go-to for professional-grade coffee creations without leaving the house. Keurig K-Duo Plus Single Serve and Carafe Coffee Maker. Introducing the Keurig K-Duo Plus Single Serve and Carafe Coffee Maker, your new best friend for coffee moments, big and small. This clever machine offers the best of both worlds, whether you're in the mood for a quick solo cup or brewing up a storm for a gathering. It's all about choice and convenience. Its sleek design effortlessly complements your kitchen, while its intuitive features make brewing a joy. With the K-Duo Plus, you're not just making coffee, you're crafting moments to savor, sip by sip. Welcome to your perfect coffee companion. Top 5. Zojirushi EC YTC 100XB 10-Cup Coffee Maker. Introducing the Zojirushi EC YTC 100XB 10-Cup Coffee Maker, where style meets substance in the world of coffee brewing. This sleek stainless steel and black machine isn't just another kitchen appliance, it's your partner in crafting the perfect cup of coffee. With its ample 10-cup capacity, it's ready to fuel your mornings or accompany you during gatherings with friends and family. But beyond its capacity, it's the thoughtful design and user-friendly features that make brewing with this coffee maker a delight. Add a touch of elegance to your kitchen while enjoying the convenience and quality of Zojirushi's craftsmanship.